afternoon, one and all. I am Sudha, my team members Harini, Kirti and Sushmita, and our faculty mentor Mr. A. Ramesh Kumar Garu, our friend, philosopher and guide. We are representing Narayanamma Institute of Technology and Sciences from Hyderabad. Our innovative idea, Bus Herald Service, which is a display for commuters, is. Before actually moving to the presentation, let me take to a situation wherein it's a Monday morning after a relaxing Sunday, you have woken up very late, you have already missed your office cab and even the bus. You now rush to the bus stop, expecting a bus there, but the situation is like this. You are waiting for the bus for 5 minutes, 10 minutes and the bus doesn't come. You don't even have the information whether the bus will come or not also. And finally when the bus comes, there's a lot of jamming at the entry of the bus and everybody try to get into the bus pushing everyone and a lot of hazard situations created there. Then the situation is even more worse when 2 or more buses come to the bus stop at the same time because people run to see the bus number, the bus route and to see whether that bus reaches their destination or not. This idea of providing a display for the commuters at the bus stop for their comfortable and pleasant journey has been lingering in our minds for quite a few times and HP has provided us a very good platform to develop this into a system. Bus Herald Service, which means our system is rightly named as Bus Herald Service because our system brings the information about the bus arrival to the commuters at the bus stop. Hence it is named as. The main objective is to improve the passenger satisfaction by providing them the real-time bus information and thereby we can somewhat control the congestion at the bus stops also. The crude picture of how our system works is, there's a transmitter fixed at the bus and there's a receiver fixed at the bus stop and there's a display at the bus stop about the bus route and the status of the bus, whether the bus is arriving, receiving or any other urgent messages. The driver is the main controller. He'll press the switch that contains the bus route information and the status that is transmitted over the GSM network and the same is displayed over the receiver at the bus stop. Now my friend Harini will throw some light on the prototype details.
Thank you. Coming to the block diagram, we have two blocks, the transmitter and the receiver. The transmitter, which is present in the bus, has a keypad, a microcontroller and a communication module that is a GSM modem. Similarly, at the receiver, which is present in the bus terminal, it has a communication module, the microcontroller and the LCD display. The LCD display unit, it is a 16-bit 2-row display. Now, coming to the keypad, for our prototype, we have designed the keypad in such a way that if key 1 is pressed, the message about the bus arrival information is described. Similarly, the other 3 keys are programmed such that these messages are transmitted. Now, to control all these functions, we need a microcontroller. That is the 8515 ATmega microcontroller. About the specifications of the microcontroller, it is a 40-pin programmable dual inline package and 8-bit microcontroller. It is high performance and a low power device. It has 8 kilobytes of flash memory. The operating voltage of the microcontroller is 5 volts DC and it has a programmable serial USART. The output of the microcontroller is given to the GSM modem. So whatever the bus driver sends, that message is transmitted through the GSM network. Now, the modem, it is designed specifically for SMS applications. It can be operated both in text and PDF format, but for our requirement, we have used the text mode. The modem uses AT command set, that is a standard attention command based commands. The operating voltage of the modem is 12 volts and the serial port baud rate for the GSM modem is 9600 bits per second. Now Kirti will continue.
So that the modem can transmit the SMS, which is after the message is transmitted, a display saying the message sent is displayed on the LCD as a transmitter. This is how the flow is from the keypad to the microcontroller to the modem, back from the modem to the ATmega 8515 and then to the LCD display. Let's have a look at the receiver part. When the modem receives the SMS, it sends a response to the microcontroller saying that it has received a SMS. So the microcontroller enables the user receive a pin through which it receives the SMS and then displays the same on the receiver. So since the microcontroller does the random checking, if it doesn't if the voltage of the port C is observed to be 5 volts, then it goes back to the initial random checking process. So this is how it takes place from the modem to the Atmega 8515 and the LCD display. Let's have a look at the observations and the analysis we have noted down.
Drivers can also be trained very easily. When the bus breaks down or bus route changes, the system can be easily incorporated into other bus. Next slide. As every coin has both the sides, there are few limitations that our system also has. There is a possibility of signal hacking, pin hacking and signal jamming. Though a single system may be expensive, extending it to all bus terminals in a metropolitan city can reduce the cost drastically. Next slide. In future, we have a plan to extend the system to all the bus terminals in a
Metropolitan city using group messaging. With a few modifications made, enhanced display can be mounted at the bus stops, providing bus updates and bus route information like the frequency of the buses with same route number or the time at which the next bus is going to arrive. And also reverse communication can take place from the bus stop to the bus. Next slide. This is the video of the prototype. When a transmitter and the message received is displayed at the LCD of the receiver. This has been tested for all the 4 buttons and the results were satisfactory. Finally, we conclude that our small innovation can pave way to much more sophisticated real-time bus information system and thereby improve our bus journey and make our bus journey more comfortable and joyful. Thank you. These are our references.